Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I did this makeup look. This one is an Alia Bhatt look from the Hookup song. So many of you requested me to do this one. I did not get any proper reference to do this look. There were no proper picture of her. I had to take screenshots and I tried my best. I hope you like it. So let's begin. First, I'm going to prep my skin with this Ahe Naturals Kumkumadi and Saffron cream. I love this product. This is my current favorite. You just need the tiniest amount and the skin literally glows. Next, I'm going to take this Maybelline Master Prime and I'm going to prime my cheeks and my T-zone area and then blend it with my fingers. Then taking this L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour foundation, I'm going to apply it all over my face with the help of my Real Techniques sponge. This foundation is an amazing foundation. You'll see what it does to my skin. I'm really sorry I didn't realize the recording stopped. So after this, I used these two concealers in my under eye area and then I set it with the Bharat and Dorris loose powder. I did nothing different. This is what I do in all my tutorials. You can check my other videos to see how I do it. Next, I'm using this Sugar Brow Definer and filling in my brows. Then with the help of the Body Shop bronzer, I'm bronzing my face. So I'm bronzing my cheeks, a little bit on my temples and my jawline area. And the brush I'm using here is the Oriflame blush brush. Next, using this mid-tone brown from my Makeup Revolution Flawless 4 palette, I'm applying it on my crease. And the brush I'm using is the Oriflame blending brush. So I'm adding the color little at a time till the time I'm happy with the intensity of the color. Next, taking this dark brown shimmer shade from the palette, I'm applying it on the outer corners of my eyes as well as the inner corners. So I'm kind of doing a halo look and then blending it really well. Again, I'm adding the color little at a time till the time I'm happy with the intensity. Then taking the mid-tone brown again, I'm applying it on my lower lash line. And the brush I'm using here is the Studio West blending brush. Then taking this beautiful bronzy shimmery shade, I'm applying it on the center of my eyelids. And then I realized that the pigment comes out a lot better if you use your fingers. Then taking this champagne golden shade, I'm applying it in the inner corners of my eyes. Taking the Maybelline Colossal Kajal in the shade Deep Black, I'm applying it on my upper lash line very close to my lashes. Here I already have my Benefit Pin-Up lashes on. I totally forgot to apply mascara, so I'm applying it here. This one is the Lash Paradise. Then taking this Maybelline blush kit, I'm applying this pink blush on the apples of my cheeks with the help of my QVS blush brush. Then the game changer, my favorite highlighter. This one is the Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate. Look at that glow. I'm applying it on all the high points of my face with the help of my Studio West foundation brush. I'm lining my lips with this Miss Claire lip liner in the shade Floral Pink. And then using this Sugar Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick on my lips. I wanted it to be a little bit more pink, so I'm adding this Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream. So here is the finished makeup look. I hope you liked it, and if you did, then please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. We have reached 15K and I'm so happy. Yay! Thank you so much. I'm grateful to each and every one of you. I love you all and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.